Wake up! Chugging another energy drink isn't fixing your brain. It's just giving you anxiety and heart jitters. You degenerate. Navy SEALs don't drink overpriced lattes on missions. They use an 8-minute tactical hack to force 4 hours of rest. Step 1. Lie on the floor right now and prop your legs up on a chair. Feet must be above your heart. Sitting all day pools heavy blood in your feet. Elevating them rushes fresh oxygen back straight to your brain. Your heart stops fighting gravity. Blood pressure drops instantly. Total biological override. Set a timer for exactly 8 minutes. Nap longer than 12 minutes and you wake up feeling like hot garbage.
8 minutes locks you into restorative light sleep without hitting heavy REM. Zero grogginess, pure focus.
Your neuroreceptors clear out all the adenosine buildup. That's the nasty chemical making you sleepy as hell. Step 2. Put on headphones and turn on NSDR, non-sleep, deep rest audio. These brainwave frequencies trick your nervous system into thinking you've slept for 4 full hours. Your body dumps all stress hormones out of your bloodstream. You feel weightless instantly, bro. 8 minutes is up. Pop up right now. Do not hit snooze, you lazy bum. Boom, boom. No heavy eyes, no brain fog, and 0 2 p.m. crash death. Down a massive glass of cold water right away. Rehydrate your system. Expand your view to the far corners of the room. This locks your brain straight into God mode focus. You just unlocked 4 hours of pure laser focus for $0. Take that, overpriced lattes. Neuroscientists and special forces use this daily. You can't argue with biology. I challenge you to try this 8-minute leg elevation trick today at 2 p.m. Drop a comment below and tell me if your brain feels totally brand new. Smash that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next unhinged daily life hack. So elevate your legs, stay locked in, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.